Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do one of the easiest bun hairstyles ever. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides and clip this out of the way. Next, I'm going to gather the hair into a ponytail, but I'm going to take out a small section of hair just behind the ear, and we're going to do this on both sides of the head. Just tie the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to add a little bit of wax spray across the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just use your fingers to loosen everything up a little bit so it's not so tight. Then I'm simply going to do a 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom. Keep this as loose as you can. Then just taking the ends, I'm going to roll the braid up itself all the way until it reaches the head. Then use your fingers to spread out those side sections and secure with bobby pins all the way around the outside of that bun. Now, taking that bit we left out behind the ear, I'm going to just curl this away from the face. And then we're going to do the same on the piece of hair behind the left ear. And then we're simply going to push each of these curls up to the side of the bun and then just secure them in place with a bobby pin or two. Add some texture spray to those curls. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the edge to give them a little bit of messy volume. And then last, the hair that we left out to frame the face, we're going to curl this away from the face on both sides. And again, add some texture spray and pinch and pull until you're happy with the look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.